If you like my channel, if you like this video, just check it out. Don't forget to subscribe down below, click like, it really helps me out. My name is Anna and this is my YouTube channel about unboxing. I am unboxing all kind of boxes. It's mostly makeup, but also there is this Gambad box. It's the box with tights. Last year in May I've received 1 pair of tights and 2 pairs of socks. Let's see what's waiting for us this year. As usual, instead of leaflet, we see all the information and photos right on the box. We see some photos of the tights, what we will receive, a teaser for the next month, which I'm usually not reading. For those people who don't know what Gambad box is, it's a subscription for the tights, which are designed in France and made in Italy. This subscription costs 16 euro for me per month. At the moment they are shipping to 11 countries within Europe. Okay, let's start with the main part. We have some socks. I don't even know what to say. These socks look like something you will buy on the market, kind of very cheap, made in China. If these were socks up to the knee, I would rather be happy, but this is just middle-sized normal socks, a dark blue color, and it says legs up. I don't like the color, I don't like the size. I don't know why I have it here. The name of these socks is Jump to the Beat, and on the top you see legs up. These are made of recycled cotton, and you know, these are designed in France, so actually I think they know more about fashion than I do. Let's pretend these are cool socks actually. Next one we have mini polka dot socks. The name of it is very inspiring. It says fly like no one is watching. I think these socks would be very nice with any sneakers actually during the summer time when you're not wearing tights. So I like these ones. Next tights I'm very excited about. They're called Walk Out of the Line and these are 20 den. The pattern is honeycomb. So let's see what it is. And as the name of the tights goes as Walk Out of Line, I think it should be something exciting. And also this is fishnet. I can see that these tights are very delicate with a nice fishnet pattern, also light for the summer. I think they deserve some very special evening. Hey, that was it about today's unboxing of the Gambad box tights. I am quite glad about the box. If you have any comment, just write it down below. I hope the tights won't break in the first time like they often do with me. I will see you in the next video, and for now, have a good day or night.